install a temperature sensor on our EVIB tank. Now how you do that is in the back, but first you want to grab a set screw. You're going to grab the set screw on the top here. The bag. And in the bag is where our set screws are. Looks like this. This is your set screw. You take the temperature sensor. You're going to take your temperature sensor and you're going to stick it in one of these holes. You want to make sure it goes all the way into the bottom, so it's not going any further. Then I'm going to take this set screw, screw it all the way in until it's finger tight, and then I'm going to check by gently pulling. See, it's not coming out. All right, so now that I know it's set, and you've installed your temperature sensor on our EVIB tank.